This camera-shaped house in Karnataka's Belgavi district belongs to Ravi Hongal, a professional photographer. He built this home to express his love for photography. Not only that, can you guess his sons' names? Meet Canon, Nikon and Epson. The house, which is named Click, was built at a cost of 71 lakh rupees. While the first floor has the elements of an Epson printer, the second has the body of a Nikon camera and the third floor has the flash of the Canon camera. The 3 floors represent Ravi's 3 sons. One can also notice a lens, a memory card and a show reel on the exterior of the house. The interior design also includes parts of a camera. Though it took 2.5 years to turn his dream home into reality, Ravi is happy that he has achieved his goal.
To understand the image formation, how image is forming inside the camera through the lens. Now you see this is black and white. No other color you will find. But the same picture, if you find in other side, you see how beautiful the colors in the picture is coming. My dear children, today I am going to tell you about eye and camera lens. Both of them needs to get some light for forming the image. If you would like to see anything, you need to get some light on that. Then only it will reflect and then only will able to view it. So reflection comes by the help of light. If the light is not there, it won't be visible. The same thing happened with the camera. If the light is not there, then we won't get image inside the camera. So suppose this is the light and the light is falling on this object. Then what we normally do? We try to take the camera from this side, so the light will fall on the object and then you will be able to get the image inside. Okay? Now, when there is your eye or camera lens, both are there in that particular place. When the eye is there, what it does, when the light is here, it used to so when light falls on the object, we are able to view. How we are able to view? It comes in our retina this way. It may possible that you would like to hold an object here. You cannot hold this object here. If you would like to hold it, there should be an object here. That means when we are able to see an object in any distance, we used to rotate our eyeball or put our eyeball on that particular place. Then we are able to see the image. Now in the camera lens, what happens when we view the object? At that time it needs also some light on the object, wherefrom that object will reflect. Now suppose here is the camera lens and we are holding it to view that object. When we are going to view that, at that time this lens is going to view this part as well as this part together with the same manner. But in our camera lens, in our eye, if we would like to see, then first you have to keep your view here, then you have to keep your view here. If you would like to see something here, you have to keep your view here. So we have to rotate our eyeball when we would like to see in a particular place. In motion or movement picture, you will find, if you are watching any television or movies, at that time your eyeball used to rotate from this part to this part. When our eyeball rotates, then only we are able to view whole frame of the motion. Either if you keep watching your television in that particular part, you won't be able to understand what is going on in this place or at that side. So there are some similarities as well as some difference. Now what is the similarity? Similarity is there until and unless the light will fall on the object, eye cannot see, camera also cannot take a picture. If you would like to take a picture, you take from any distance, if it is in focusing zone under the lens, as well as many eyes used to take +1 lens, -5 lens, -2 lens, like this, for view the object properly to compensate their eyesight. Okay? The same way we take the camera's lens. If the camera lens is able to do focus from this distance, then it can do focus from here to here. There is no issue, because earlier I have told you there are many cameras which is not able to do focus before 3 feet distance, but never it is possible to do focus before 25 centimeter. That is our level of eyesight. We cannot see before that. It becomes out of focus. Same way, if the camera is having the power, the camera lens is having the power to take a view from 3 feet distance to infinity, then only we will be able to get the image. Either what is going to happen, it won't give us the proper focusing. The next is that if we are viewing an object if it is giving a view, then if it is giving a view in this particular point, we won't be able to view this part. For to view that part, we have to rotate our eyeball, then only we will be able to view that. Okay? Next is that the distance for both the cases. Distance means I am talking about infinity. For both the cases, we are able to view if the light is reaching on that part. That is why you will find when we view from the building also, if you watch the view of any place, if you view any place from top, you will find where the lights are emitting, that part is visible and rest the part is not visible. So what we do, we used to view it from a place, but again if it is having a power to view infinity, you will able to view infinity also. But this part and this part is having huge difference. But when you click a picture, at that time you don't have to bother for to viewing the object from top to bottom. It is going to record, it is going to give the image with the same manner, as well as it is coming the top down also, it will come with the same manner. If you are using a normal lens, in that one, if you are going to catch an image of any object, it is going to give this whole image with the same manner. There will be no difference. But if we would like to view it by our normal eye, we won't be able to view it, because it needs some rotation of our eyes for particular zone to bring in focus. So what do you understand? That eye lens and camera lens both are having difference. Both are having similarities also. Now view the photographs, do some photography.
Sophia, future history. Better.
Oh baby, I'm thinking maybe that you were always a piece of shh. You're rubbing your dirt on everyone's skirt. You know how to be a ¿Dónde están tus modales que no aprendiste ni a saludar? Parece que hoy me gustas un poco más.
Okay.
Hola, ¿cómo tal? So nice to meet you. You said we should go and get a room. No. If you wanna turn it on, go get a light bulb, después hablamos. If you wanna turn it on, go get a lighter, después bailamos. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Si te doy un beso ya estás a mis pies. Dime 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. La 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 la.
Baby, just hush the talking and let my loving ease your mind. If love's the game, let's play a million times. Baby, give it to me. I'll be good company. Baby, mi nombre es Jason Derulo. Oh.
If you wanna turn it on, go get a light bulb, después hablamos. If you wanna turn it on, go get a lighter, después bailamos. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Si te doy un beso ya estás a mis pies. Dime 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. La 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 la.